How to use the Travel Bright tree lamp step-by-step guide. Understand the design. This lamp is compact, lightweight. It's shaped as a cuboid and can be folded into different positions. This device is oriented for flexible light where required. How can one adjust the lamp? Hold the lamp from its base and lift up the top surface. It can be handheld or set up on a flat surface. How to switch on the lamp? On one of the longer sides of the base, one will find the power button. Press the button to turn on the lights. How to adjust the brightness intensity of the light? On one of the shorter sides of the base, one will find the brightness control button. There are 5 different levels of brightness one can choose from. One can do this by simply pressing and releasing this button until the preferred level of brightness is reached. How to adjust the light contrast? To adjust the light contrast, use the same button as the one used for controlling the brightness of the lamp. The difference is that this time, hold the button for longer. There are 3 different variations of contrast. How to charge the lamp? On one of the shorter sides of the base, next to the brightness button, one will find a circular magnetic charging point. This is where one connects the charging cable to recharge the lamp's battery. What else can it be used for? On the opposite side of the power button, one will find 2 USB Type-A slots. These can be used to charge a phone or other devices, just like a power bank. Fita. Our services are for nobody but you.